so excited to open it up. I'm sure that you are very curious what's inside too. Yeah! Woohoo! Wow! Look at what I have now. Zumba wear! Oh my god! This is a bracelet. The basement party bracelet with a bell. How cute is that? A lot of you guys asking me that where I get my outfit for my dancing video, and most of them is Zumba wear. Just me. The design, the material, the quality is so good that you in love with that. Instructor, yeah, I'm instructor. A very sexy. Alright, let me show you. A neon green, and you see that here is very deep cut, just like to make you like more, you know, like feminine. I love it. I love this color. The pinky one, hot pink. Hot pink is my favorite color that, you know, it never get boring on me. I got a lot of pinky that you always see me in my mat, my pillow, my bottle water, everything is hot pink. And remember that, never stop dancing. And this is the male shirt, the male t-shirt. It's not quite big, but we always can DIY, make it like sexy, cut the back like, and then, you know, cut the arms when you get boring with the original like this. And I think it's cool, like Mr. Right. Let's move it, let's move it. It's all the alpha, he's let's move it. And you see here, the tag is like Mr. Right. And I'm still looking for my Mr. Right. Yeah. Alright. A little bit more. Ah, okay. This thing is very cool. I think I know what's that. Because like we love the Zumba wear, so all the time when it's come out a new collection, we always, you know, like look for items. So even we just see the color, we know which collection is that. And this is a bath suit, and it says Zumba Tribe. Wow, bodysuit. For this one, you can match with a lot of different things. You can wear to the swimming pool, to the beach, or you can match with the short, the jean short, or you can match with the, you know, other things like they have the jean, the long jeans, also very good, very stylish. You can wear to the class, or you can wear just like fashionista. Cool! I like the color so much. Flowery, very tribal. Look at this. Does it look a little bit big? It's on first actually in here. Sort of not bad, and if you have some jacket, it's gonna be cool, right? And you know what I like here? The golden things, the golden color button. It's very nice. And the material is very comfortable. It's like, you see that? I can pull me, easy to move. Awesome. 3 sets of bracelets, different slogan, different color. Very nice. Can mix with everything. Oh, my legs. Oh my god, look at how cute is that. Have it come with a box, and you see that Zumba wear, and here's a bracelet. Instructor Zumba. So cute, so sweet. Okay, let me come closer. Can you see that? Instructor with a logo, and Zumba with the love logo. It's so nice. It's so nice. Oh my god, love it. It's very cute tank top that they have Korean slogan behind. Yes, and for this one, you can cover, you can match with anything, legging, short, bra, any color. It's so good. You know, you can cover yourself, go to the class like this, and you can decide to take it off to be more sexy, just only with a bra, or you can keep it on you. It's so cool. I like this style. I have black one, easy to match. Wow, I just see something's very cool inside. Here is the for the bra to I don't know how to call it. And it's come with a very very colorful, like this pattern flowers is one of the collection of Zumba. But wow, look at how feminine is that. This is the first in front side, very floral. I like it, very tropical floral. And look in the back, so sexy. It's just like open back with one cross only, like this. Very sexy, huh? Right? Can't wait to put it on me. I don't know how to say. It's just like ta-da! Wow! Look at this. This is La Pachanga ruffle legging. So you see in front, same color with the bra, but there is something cool that you see the belt, which is like, and behind. Look at this. Ta -ta 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 -ta. So when you shake your pum pum, this thing gonna like shake it baby, right? Wow, so nice. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I need to make a new video soon so I can put it on me. Woo. You always see me with a snap, right? And look at this, La Pachanga snapback. Same color, and Zumba, they are so cool that they make everything like come at a set. So you feel like you just like shine. Oh, it's a little bit big. Let me put it smaller. Voila! A little bit because it's shipping to here all the way from US, so it's a little bit, you need to adjust that, and it's new. Woohoo! Ta-da! I love Zumba. And this is the front side. Wait, it's not yet. So in the front they are shorter, and from the back, ta-da! It's a heart shape DIY cutting. Is so cute, and you can see from the back it's longer than in the front. See that? Yeah, nice. This heart, love it. Last one from today. I mean, no, actually last one from this packing. A shiny bra. It's a bonfire beige multi-way V bra. So for this kind of color, silver thing, see that shiny silver thing, you need to wash by hand. For me, like I always take care of my gym wear, like just slightly wash it with hand wash or dry washing, no water. And now it's come like this. You see that? But here there's two hooks. You see that? And inside they have multi hole that you can just adjust it, like inside, medium, and outside. Or you can change it to no cross, but go like two slide, depend on you. But I think the cross is quite sexy, so I don't think that I will change to normal way from here to here. I will keep it in this way. And always I like the V cut in the neck, because this V cut is like make you more sexier with, you know, the view here, and make your breast is like more fill up sexy. And when you do like it's like oops. Alright, voila, this is all for today. I don't know how many items I got here, quite few. It's never enough, never enough, trust me. Alright, so here you go. Là vợ chồng with a bell. It's very nice. So you're gonna wear the full set, a lot of different color, right? So this belongs to the collection named the Basement Party, which is more swag, like more stronger. Yeah, it's come like hip hop style. All the bells black, which is very cool. Swag gold, you see that here? Swag gold, nice. So I think those items is the best of the week, maybe the month so far. This is today is 12, I don't know, well, yeah, I think today is 12 of Christmas, and it's just like early Christmas gift for me. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Alright, so that's all for today. I want to see you next video. If you have any question for, you know, how you feel, how do I feel when I'm wearing those items, is that good, how's the material, you can, you know, like ask me, direct inbox me or comment on my video, so I will let you know. Alright, see you.